Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the HUAWEI Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon and then select your HUAWEI Watch GT 5. On this page, find this menu button in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Come on. Okay. And once the menu pops out, tap on the Unpair device and then tap on Unpair. Now we can follow these steps. Basically, it tells us to go to the Bluetooth settings. So let's open the settings, Bluetooth. Find the HUAWEI Watch GT 5, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. And once you're done with this, close the settings, come back to the HUAWEI Health application, tap on finish these steps, tap on OK, and the device will disappear from the device page. And basically that's it. That's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.